This is the compressor. It's a reciprocating compressor from inside of a refrigerator. I have removed the stator. This is the rotor. It still turns. This is the intake, and the outlet is this tube. I taped a nitrile glove finger to it so you can see that it's actually pumping. So when we rotate this, you can see the piston moves very nicely in and out. It's well lubricated. It's a beautiful piece of engineering. Doesn't matter which way it turns. The valves only allow the gas to be compressed in one direction. Now, when it's operating as a refrigerator with a refrigerant, it's hundreds of pounds per square inch, depending on the refrigerant type. A lot of people repurpose these for air compressors, and I can see why. Although in a standard air compressor, the piston's bigger, so you can move more air quickly, whereas this takes a lot more cycles of the cylinder to move the same amount of air. I did not think that nitrile finger was actually going to be that stretchy. Okay, well, that's it. Fantastic engineering